Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of history. Today we are going to continue our last chapter, lesson number 3, the Indus Valley Civilization. In our last chapter we have read about the Indus Valley Civilization, about all the 4 river valley civilization. We have read about the geographical footprint, their buildings, 2 cities, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, about citadel, and also about the Great Bath. As you know, the Great Bath is a citadel. It was found in Mohenjo-daro with a large rectangular tank which is known as the Great Bath. These baths were used during the religious matter. It has a large swimming pool and also have 2 flights of steps to reach the bottom. The tank was supplied with the fresh water and it was probably the public bath. Then we found great granary. Now, granary was a large site which were found during the excavation at Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal and Kalibangan. These granaries were built to store surplus grain and these granaries were built in a citadel. The granary excavated at Harappa is known as a great granary. Then the lower city and houses. The lower city consisted of the houses of the common people. The flat roofed houses were 1 or 2-story house. They have a staircase that led to the upper stories. Also, the houses' walls were made of baked bricks, and all the bricks were in a uniform size. Woods were also used and stones were also used, and most of the houses has kitchen, courtyard, bathroom, well, and the sanitation and the drainage system was very good. The drainage system which was built by Hadappans were highly advanced. Their houses either had an individual well or they obtained water from a public well also. The Harappan houses had a separate rooms with sloping floors for bathing and washing. And the waste water of these rooms were straight linked with the drainage system of the main road. Social life has been divided into 4 parts as we have some evidence. Like the learned people, the archaeological evidence is the bust of priest, the warriors, remains of the swords, forts, wall, the traders and the artisans. We have found the artifacts, and the farmers and the laborers, quarters of the laborers. Though we are not so much known of the administration of the Harappan, but it is believed that the priest and the rich member, they governed the committee. Also, we have not found any temple, but they believe in Mother Goddess, which was the symbol of fertility. We have found the male seal of Pashupatinath. So, it is believed that Pashupatinath was the lord of cattle, and also they worship the peepal tree and animals like bull. Foods and dress, as we know that the barley and wheat were the main food crops. People also reared animals like buffaloes, sheep, pigs, and hens for meat and eggs. The study of Harappan seals shows that the Indus Valley peoples wore a shawl like a dress as an upper garment and dhoti like a dress for the lower garments. Women also wore skirts. Their clothes were made of cotton and wool. Their personal grooming was that both men and women in the Indus Valley were interested in personal grooming. They wore ornaments like bangles, earrings, the girdles, shells, beads, and metals like copper, silver, and gold. Razors, mirrors, and ivory combs were used during that time. And see, this is the statue of a priest that was found in Mohenjo-daro. And these are the ornaments found there. Their recreation for entertainment, the Harappan seem to have turned to dance and music. They loved dance and music, as a number of gold, terracotta, and stone figurines of dancing girls reveal their love for dancing. A harp-like instrument depicted on the Indus seals and two shell objects found in Lothal indicate the use of stringed musical instrument. So they were fond of the string musical instrument. Their economic life was, as we know, their economic lives was very rich because the Harappan civilization, they lived in a fertile land, so their primary dependence was the agriculture. They grew crops like wheat, barley, cotton, millet, sesame. They also domesticate animals like camel, sheep, buffaloes, and goats. Many of the Harappan seals have a picture of animals like tigers, elephants, and rhinoceros. Their trade and transport was also good. Harappan had a trade contact with Mesopotamia, Persia, and Afghanistan. Because we have discovered a seal of the foreign countries in the Indus Valley and vice versa. The Harappan merchant used to stamp their goods with seal, and the Indus people carried foreign trade through the dock of Lothal. They also exports of bead, gems, and valuable ornaments reaching West Asia and Africa. They exports the copper, ivory, cotton textiles. The import include blue gems and silver from the Afghanistan. Now, their art and craft, as we have found the script that the Harappan used to write in a pictographic script, because no written book or copy we have found, so these are the pictographic. Nobody till date has been able to understand this pictographic stick, but some experts said that the Harappan script has about 400 these basic signs. In the craft, this is the dancing girl which we have been excavated from Harappa. The statue of the dancing girl at Mohenjo-daro is a masterpiece of the bronze casting. Seals making another important craft of the Indus Valley civilization. Around 2000 seals have been found. The causes of the decline of the Indus Valley civilization, though there is no solid cause, but some of the historian says that due to the climate change might have rendered the land unsuitable for agriculture. The Indus River might have changed its course. Increase in population or decline in agriculture might have created economic problem. Some says that the frequent flood might have destroyed the Harappan cities, and some says due to the epidemic that might have taken a toll of life of the people. And the last, it is said that invention by the enemy could be thwarted. Though the Harappan left no monumental structure, their achievement in town planning, community living, manufacture of the bronze product and science were remarkable. So we have seen in this civilization about that this civilization was flourished in near the river. All the four civilizations during that time, that is the Egyptian civilization, Chinese civilization, Mesopotamian civilization and Indus Valley civilization, all are known as the River Valley civilization. We have known about the Indus Valley civilization, their characteristics, their features, their social life, their religious life, their mother goddess, Lord Pashupati. There was no evidence of the king, but it is said that they were governed by the committee, by the rich people and the priests. Their main economic life was their dependence on agriculture, though they have a trade and transport also. Their remarkable the pictography, script and also the craftsmanship in a metal. But this civilization was declined due to the climate change, some says of the river course, some says increased population, decline in agriculture, or some says the epidemic or invention. So that's all for today's session. We will meet in our next session with new topic. Till then, have a nice day and take care of your health.